Hi, this is Glancy again, and let's have some fun with English. Okay. So today I'm going to take a few words that you've probably heard of, and I'm sure that you definitely get these words right. But I'm taking these words because I have heard people, fumble and get them a bit wrong. So I thought let's just do these words and try to see if we are getting the words right. And as we go forward, just remember to practice with me. Listen to the sound of the word, okay? Do not look at the spelling of the word. Listen to the sound of the word. Listen to the way that I am pronouncing it, okay? The way the word is rolling when you are listening to it. And when you are practicing with me, observe the word, the way it moves in your mouth. Okay, the more you practice, the more it will be perfect. So let's move on very quickly. And the first word that I have, okay, the first word that I have, and yes, this is an easy word. The word is capacity. Okay, so you have heard this word before. We all know the meaning of the word. The word capacity relates to the volume, the amount of stuff that you can put into the bag. So you can say the bag has a lot of capacity. The other form of the word would be capacious. Okay, again, the pronunciation is very different if you notice. Capacity, capacious, they mean the same thing, same word family, pronunciation is different. So the word I'm looking right now is capacity. What I've done is I have put in the sound of the word below, highlighted in yellow. So capacity, capacity. All right. So I hope you got that right. And the word is not capacity. Okay. People see the word cap and they say capacity. No, it's capacity. All right. So moving on to the next word. Let's get on to the next word. Oh, okay. So here it comes. Okay. So yes, this word looks like conscience. Yes, very often people do get this word wrong. We say the word, this word means uh, a human being's thoughts, values, principles, upbringing that forms his psyche, that forms his value system. So you will very often hear the sentence, in context where it comes like, his conscience did not allow him to commit the crime, or I feel very, very conscientious about the environment. Okay, so the word in its simplest form is conscience. Conscience. All right, and what I've done is I have given the other forms of the word. All right, so I have given you con conscientious. All right, I know it's a very difficult word, so like what I'm doing right now, I'm doing this in front of you. Take a pause, take a breath. Okay, you don't have to use the word if you don't want to. Stick with conscience, it's safer. But the other form of the word is con- conscientious. Conscientious. Look at the yellow, what I've written, what I've highlighted in yellow, and it will come to you. Conscientious. Okay, and the third word that I'm highlighting right now is conscientiousness. Conscientiousness. I know it's a difficult word. It is difficult, no doubt. But if you practice these words, believe me, the other smaller words will get so much more easier. So this is a word that will give you a lot of confidence as you go along. So let's try this one more time. Try with me. Conscience, conscientious, conscientiousness. Cool, that's brilliant. Thank you so much. So let's go to the next word very quickly. All right, so what's the next word I'm going to bring up to you? Oh, this is easy. I think this is an easy one. Okay, so the word is, what's the word? Mischief? Mischievous? Yes. If you said mischief and you said mischievous, yes, you are absolutely spot on, bang on correct. Congratulations. But if you said mischievous, no, that's not the way the word is pronounced. We all know the meaning of the word. It means a naughty. It means a child who is loves to play around and get into some kind of mischief. All right, but the pronunciation is mischief and mischievous. Mischievous. All right, so we'll do this one more time. Mischief and mischievous. So I hope you're enjoying this. Just another couple of words to go, and then we will end the session. Okay, so what's the next word? Oh, this is so easy, isn't it? This is a very easy word, but I have heard this word pronounced very often incorrectly. Okay, so the word is parents. Parents, referring to people who have given birth to us. So, parents. And I've given you two ways that you can, which will help you pronounce the word. So, parents and parents. So, if you want to remember the pronunciation, then I'll give you a little tip. If you remember the sound pair, Pair, okay, parents are often in pairs, okay. So if you remember the word pair, you will remember parents, okay. So I hope that's easy for you. I'll repeat. The word is parents, and let's move on to the last word for the day. Okay, this is also an easy one, okay, and the word is facility. I will repeat. Facility. Facility. That's easy, isn't it? Facility, facilitate, facilitation. Okay, so we know the pronunciation. Facility. It is not facility. It is not facility. It is facility. Facility. F-A-C. Ignore the spelling. Ignore the spelling. Listen to the sound. The word is facility. I hope you enjoy this session and do keep in touch for more such little videos coming from me and Step Up Lives and Alu Connect. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.